Hello, everybody. Happy New Year! I wish you all the best in 2022. Thank you all for watching my videos. I am so happy that I made through a year. Today is a special video because I am not cooking. My husband is cooking for me. We are making lamb chop today. The first step is to marinate it. We will use black pepper and the salt. You know I love marinade and cook recipe. Marinating is an essential step during cooking. It not only adds flavors but also tenderizes meat. Lamb has a unique goaty smell. Many people don't like it because of that. We will use many spices to solve that problem. Herbal defense is a mixture of dry herbs often contains savory, rosemary, thyme, and oregano. Using slightly stronger smelling herbs like rosemary can help to eliminate the unique odor. Additionally, add some fresh rosemary, minced garlic, and breadcrumbs. Mix them well and add some oil to help them stick together. Feel free to use fresh herbs, it will taste even better. Heat up a skillet with oil to sear the lamb chop. Then bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. This is to quickly heat up the meat temperature in order to help it absorb sauce later on. Brush Dijon mustard all over the meat, then wrap it with the rosemary mixture we made. When it's done, wrap the bone with aluminum foil in case burnt out, then put back in the skillet. This time we will bake at 420 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. The meat is a little raw to me, so I decided to set back for 5 more minutes. I personally prefer medium. Adjust the time up on your own preference. Wow, this looks so perfect. When I first opened the package, the goaty smell was so strong. However, I can't smell anything now. Plus, it tastes perfect. I want to thank my husband for this lovely meal and all the support in the past year. Thank you all for watching it. This is Audrey. I will see you next year.